Understand now what you were charged. I'm not asking whether or not you did it. Do you understand what you were charged?
Yes. Yes.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by a
Multiple defendants, rapid-fire rulings, and a courtroom moving with zero hesitation. This session wastes no time. From dismissals to adjournments, every decision carries weight, and one guilty plea could shift the tone entirely. Stay sharp, because details matter. Subscribe now for more intense courtroom breakdowns and behind-the-scenes legal drama you won't catch anywhere else.
Your name, sir?
Anthony Robago.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Under today's date and time set for first free trial in this matter, we just be asking for adjournment. My client's discovery, hopefully.
May 6, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Court calls case People versus Carl Rogers.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
This is public defender Natalie Pate on behalf of Mr. Rogers, who should be present on Zoom.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing okay. How are you, Mr. Rogers?
I'm doing okay, sir.
All right. State your name for me, for the record.
My name is Carl Lawrence Rogers.
Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, this is the date and time set for pre-trial. This time people will be dismissing.
No,
You're okay with them dismissing your case, or you want to come back and see me?
No, sir, I want to dismiss, sir. I'm dealing with my health right now.
Okay. All right, Mr. Rogers, your case is dismissed, so you take care.
Yes, sir, thank you.
thank you, Mr. Rogers, and thank you to your wife too for helping out.
Thank you.
Court calls the case. The People versus Wally of Salisbury.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Public defender Natalie Pate with on behalf of Ms. Salisbury, who should be present on Zoom. Sorry.
Where?
Your Honor, sorry, is the court okay if I text her real quick? She did say that she was in court. She might not be able to hear, or sorry, not in court, at work. She might not hear her.
Alternatively, the people are going to move to dismiss this. If the court would excuse her appearance, I can put that motion on the record.
No objection to that. And I can text her that.
I'll waive her appearance. This case is dismissed.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Jacob Simmons.
Also, Bill Basie on behalf of Jacob Simmons, Your Honor.
Jacob Simmons. Oh, there he is.
Hi, Jacob Simmons here.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Your Honor, my client is asking for a month adjournment in this matter. We just sent him the whole package of discovery. He wants to review the discovery in the day. And
I'll adjourn this matter May 6th.
Oh, sir,
2020.
Your Honor, may I interject, please?
Go ahead.
I did tell the paralegal that I would in fact only want 2 weeks instead of a month, so that way all parties can organize evidence and
April
clarify the
15th,
details.
April 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you.
All right.
Court does call the case of the People versus Tayana Thomas.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with on behalf of Thomas, who's present on Zoom. Ma'am, can you please take your name for the court?
Tanea Thomas.
Tanea. All right. I have before me a plea form. Is that what we're doing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Plea form indicates that she's going to plead to the charge of embezzlement, 200 to 1,000, to 1 year offense. Upon a successful plea to that charge, there's a sentence agreement of $298.28 restitution, sentencing under life. That's the court's full understanding of the agreement.
That's correct, Your Honor.
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, can you please raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
State your name again for the record.
Tanea Thomas.
All right, Ms. Thomas, it's this court's understanding you're going to be pleading guilty to the charge of embezzlement by an agent or trustee 200 to 1,000. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court costs. The fine could be increased to 3 times the value of the property embezzled or the amount embezzled. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form or had one signed on your behalf?
Yes.
You have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No.
You understand that you're giving up all those rights contained on that form, including the rights under paragraph 5, which are your trial rights.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal of right.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here to get you to plead?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily and of your own free will?
Yes.
And also because you believe that you're guilty of this offense?
Yes.
Between the dates of January 8, 2023 and March 8, 2023, at the location of 5450 Carpenter Road, were you an employee at Sam's Club?
Yes.
What'd you do between those dates that makes you think that you're guilty?
I took items that did not belong to me.
Okay, so you took items from the store that didn't belong to you?
Yes.
And what'd you do? Walk out with those items?
Yes, I did.
All
Without
right.
permission.
Okay, and you came into possession of those items by virtue of your employment with Sam's Club, is that correct?
Yes.
All right. And you didn't have any permission on behalf of Sam's Club to take any of that property and convert it to your own use. You did not have their permission to do that, did you?
No, I did not.
Okay. Was the total amount of what you took from Sam's Club, was that in excess of $200?
Correct. Yes.
Yes, it was?
Yes,
All
it
right.
was.
Ma'am, if I accept your plea, I do have to advise you if you commit misconduct between the time of my acceptance of your plea and your time of sentencing, that's if you commit misconduct as defined by the Michigan court rules, that you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea and the court would not be bound by any sentence evaluation or recommendation. You understand that?
Yes, I do.
All right. Counsel, you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements which have led to this plea?
None from the people.
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty in this case. Defendant is referred to probation for pre-sentence investigation and report. Sentencing will be
April 29th at 12 noon.
April 29th, 2026 at noon. Do I have, all right. So ma'am, Ms. Thomas, I'm going to ask you to remain online. We're going to put you into a breakout room with my probation department so that we can start the process. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Court does call the case. People versus Tito's. Is it Ohonu? Ohonu?
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Public defender.
Right here, the judge accepts a guilty plea, locking in serious consequences before sentencing even begins. That warning about misconduct is critical. One mistake, and the deal could collapse. Meanwhile, another defendant struggles with compliance issues. Do you think the court is being fair or giving too many chances under pressure?
Further counsel mobilization after Mr. Mahoney, present by Zoom. Tito, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Tito Suwaihonu.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today is the date and time set for pretrial in this matter. As I understand it, my client is looking to get into the sobriety court. Did you complete your assessment with Mr. Satman?
I was
Okay.
unable to get a hold of him.
I'm sorry?
I was unable to get a hold of him.
Says he was unable to get a hold of him.
Your Honor, we would, in that case, ask.
I'm going to adjourn it out. He I'm just gonna go out 2 weeks. He needs to get in touch with him.
Understood, Your
I
Honor.
do. I know. He has a violation in here for missing his test, but he is submitting. He's late on his testing. I don't want any more late tests.
No more late tests, Tito's, or else the judge may have to change the terms of your bond.
Okay.
Test on time, please.
April 15th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Court does call the case, People versus Keontae Wright.
Morning, Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Under that's right. I don't know, this will be the state bank report.
You got him.
It's dropping. I believe he just dropped. He returns from. We don't know.
I'll pass it. We don't have him currently, but that was indicating he's dropping. Court does call the case, People versus Santori Taylor.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
I'm sorry.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. What's your name?
Santori Taylor.
Mr. Taylor, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about July 2nd, 2008, at the location of 30 Frank Lloyd Wright Drive in Ann Arbor Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of malicious use of a telecommunication service. You understand the nature of that charge, sir?
No.
Don't understand that? All right. Sir, the complaint alleges that on July 2nd, 2008, location of 30 Frank Lloyd Wright, Ann Arbor Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan. Complaint alleges in count 1 that you did maliciously use a service provided by telecommunication service providers with the intent to terrorize, frighten, intimidate, threat, harass, molest, annoy, disturb the peace and quiet of Chantel telegrades by using vulgar, indecent, obscene, or offensive language or suggesting any lewd or lascivious act in the course of the conversation or message through the use of telecommunication service or device, and or repeatedly initiating a telephone call and without speaking, deliberately hanging up or breaking the telephone connection as or after the telephone call is answered, contrary to Michigan statutes. You understand now what you are charged? I'm not asking whether or not you did it. Do you understand what you were charged?
Yes. Yes.
That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 6 months incarceration, a $1,000 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes.
First question I have for you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
This is a public defender case.
Sorry. Assistant Public Defender Natalie, on behalf of Mr. Taylor, we would waive any further formal reading, and my client stands mute, and I would ask that a not guilty plea be. We would ask for a PR bond as well as free trial date, please, to receive and review recovery.
Couldn't have a waive formal reading, standing mute. The court will enter a not guilty plea. Pre-trial in this matter will be set. This is older case. I need. Said May, it's 15th and then the 6th.
The 6th and 12th.
May 6th, 2026, 9 a.m.
We had 11 o'clock.
Trial 2.
We have another.
Esteban.
I'm coming from Detroit.
I don't have two additions, so should we do this file size digital system? I was unable to get physical file in advance. I don't know.
Need a task.
He has any priors again.
Yeah. Well, he had already posted a $750 bond, so believe it's bonded at $7,500 bond. I'll give it 10% privilege. I will add conditions of standard conditions, including no assault or behavior, possession of any weapons, ammunition, or firearms. No alcohol, recreational marijuana, or illegal drug use. I will indicate he is to have no contact with Chantel Telegratis. Is there any reason you need to go to Frank Lloyd Wright Drive?
Oh, no, sir.
I'm also going to order that he not go to 30 Frank Lloyd Wright Drive. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. The only thing, Mr. Taylor indicates that he lives in Detroit. And is it okay if I speak to Ms. Wieldling for the next court date about maybe getting him scheduled in later in the morning time block rather than 9? I understand it's up to.
Talk to her all you want.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Court calls Gaysfield versus Brookianis.
Your Honor.
This courtroom session shows a full spectrum of outcomes: cases dismissed, bonds continued, and a guilty plea setting up future sentencing. Every defendant faced a different path, shaped by choices and timing. Justice isn't one size fits all. Like, comment, and subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns and real legal drama you need to see.